This
Hi friends, this is Ramesh here. So in this video, we are going to see what all the things we have to check in the list while navigating through the list and list items in listed list, all those things. So it's very simple that yesterday in the previous class, I told that we have to check whether the list item is there with nested list items or not. If there is no nested list, that is sublist inside under that under that list item means it is very simple to navigate and test. So if there is any nested list items under a list item means we have to use control down arrow to navigate through the list items. It will have some set of confusions to navigate and test the list items with sublists, that is nested lists. So if there is no list item, nested list means for a list item means it is very easy to navigate, to read and to test even. Okay, so we are now we are going to see how to test a list group without any nested links. So what all the things we have to check? That is very simple. So only two things we have to check for that: a label and a L body. So how many lists are there? How many list items are there in that list group? And each list item is having label with it or without any label in that. The second thing is whether the list item is given with L body or not. So these are the two things we have to see while testing the list items. So I'm opening a file now. So let us see.
download Zoom downloads. Item L. Yesterday grouping expanded. Lists 1. Unit 1. Great people of India. Adobe. Heading level 1. Page 1. Unit 1.
So I'm opening the same file what you saw yesterday.
Heading level 1.
So we are going to this list with 4 items.
List with 3 items. List with 2 items. List with 2. List with 2 items. List with 4 items. Bullet.
So list with 4 items. This list group does not contain any nested list with it. So it is very easy to navigate through this list group with if it does not contain any nested list items. So first we navigate with using the control key command, control down arrow. Using the key command, control down arrow. I'm giving control down arrow.
Number 1 key 4 bullet. Out of list.
Just a minute. So I'm starting. I'm giving control down arrow.
List with 4 items. Bullet.
Bullet. So bullet is the label for this list item. And I'm giving control down arrow again. It will read the list body, the L body of that list item.
Number 1 key fought against racial discrimination in South Africa.
So L body itself, it is starting with the number 1. So again, I'm moving to the second list item. I'm giving control down arrow.
Page 2 bullet.
So bullet is the label. Again, I'm giving control down arrow.
Number 3 Mahatma Gandhi won his first battle of civil disobedience in India at Champaran.
So number 3 is coming. So somehow that 2 is missing. So let us see. Again, I'm giving control down arrow. Bullet. Again, I'm giving control down arrow.
Number 4, he successfully led a non-violent tax revolt in Kedah.
So again, I'm giving control down arrow.
Out of list heading level 4 Salt Satyagraha.
So out of list, it has come out of that list. So here it is saying that a list with, let me go to the top of the list by pressing shift, comma.
Not in a container.
Sorry.
List with 4 items number. Page 1 bullet. Out of list with 4 items bullet.
So it is list with, it is reading that list with, announcing that list with 4 items, but we are having only
out of list with 4 items bullet.
One label.
Number 1 he fought against racial discrimination in South Africa.
This is L body.
Page 2 bullet.
The second label.
Number 3 Mahatma Gandhi won his first.
Second L body.
Bullet.
The third label. I'm pressing control down arrow. So remember that.
Number 40 successfully led a non-violent.
So this is the third L body for us. Again, I'm giving control down arrow.
Out of list heading.
So it has come out of the list. When I'm going to the top of the list, this
list with 4 items. Number 40 successfully led a non-page 1 bullet. Out of list with 4 items.
So why? Because it is announcing that this list group is having 4 list items, but you are having only 3 number of labels and 3 number of L bodies, that is list body. So even we are having list number 1, list number 3 and list number 4. So where that list number 2 has gone, list item 2 has gone is that we have to check. So if there is no nested list means, so after checking in this list groups,
out of list heading list with 4 items, out of list heading level 4 achievement.
So if there is no listed nested list means, just use the key command as I. I is for list items. So I'm giving I once. So let us see whether label is missing or what has happened in this list group, in this four list item group. So I'm pressing I now.
List with 4 items. Bullet number 1. He fought against racial discrimination in South Africa.
So number 1 is correct. Again, I'm pressing I.
Page 2 bullet.
So for the second list item, only bullet it is reading. It is reading only the label. It is not reading the L body of this list item. So the L body of this list item has missed. It was not tagged in this list item. So again, I'm giving I.
Number 3. Mahatma Gandhi won his first battle of civil disobedience in India at Champaran.
So in this list item, bullet is missing, label is missing. It is reading from the number 3. From number 3. So number 3 is starting of number 3 is the L body of that list item. So in this third list item, label is missing. Previously in the second list item, L body of the list item is missing. Let us come to the fourth list item. I am pressing I.
Bullet number 40 successfully led a non-violent tax revolt in Kedah.
So here bullet and label, L body both are reading. So if there is no nested list items means, just press I to move through all the list items in a group of list. Okay, so this is how we have to check. If here we press down arrow or control down arrow, it will get confused. So if there is list items means, control down arrow is better for navigation. If there is no list nested list items means, it is better to use the key command I, so that you can avoid the confusion and we can test whether label is missing for that list item or whether the L body is missing for the list item, particular list items. So and that's it for today. We can move to the next topic tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Please subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Downloads row 1 column. Meeting controls row 1 meeting control.